Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the recipe gallery app review to see with what you're using. So in this video, we're going to quickly dive into this mobile app, which is recipe gallery, to help you decide if this can be a better choice and a game changer for you. So let's get started. The recipe gallery app is a simple way to save, organize, and access all your favorite recipe in one intuitive place, which is intuitive platform. You can import from website, add photos, and create custom categories, which make it meal planning quick and convenient. That said, it lacks advanced sharing features and a cloud synchronization, which can sometimes be inconsistent. So in conclusion, the app is still okay for user planning favorite recipe in one place, and it's also worth using for home cook who wants an easy, no-fuse recipe organizers. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more happy review.